Hey, welcome to my new tutorial. Today, I'll show you step by step how to save maps for offline use in the Google Maps app. This is particularly useful if you're traveling to areas with poor or limited internet connections, as it will allow you to access maps and navigation even when you're not connected to the internet. Stay tuned until the end to learn. So, let's get started. First, open a Google Maps. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile in the top right corner. After that, tap on the Offline Maps option. Once you've done that, in this section, tap on the Select Your Own Maps option. Now, choose the area you want to have offline. Once the desired area is selected, tap on the blue download button, and that's it. When the download is complete, you'll be able to go anywhere in the selected area, even without internet access. Additionally, you can rename your new download by tapping on the three dots on the downloaded map, then tapping on the Rename option. Once renamed, tap on the Save option. That's all for this video, folks. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.